Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to clean your Triax ceramic filters with the filter spinner drill attachment. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: 3/8" drill, SpaGuard filter cleaner, and 3 5-gallon buckets. Parts you will need: filter spinner drill attachment. Step 1. Fill the 2 buckets with water and leave the 3rd bucket empty. Step 2. Thread the blue nut onto the bolt as far as it will go. Step 3. Push the rubber plug into the filter and tighten the blue nut. Step 4. Insert the tool into the drill and tighten the chuck around the shaft. Step 5. Spray the ceramic surface of the filter with SpaGuard filter cleaner. Step 6. Place the filter in the bucket of water and spin the filter forward and backwards. Step 7. Place the filter in the 2nd bucket of water and do the same thing. Step 8. Place the filter in the empty bucket and spin it until it is dry. Look at that sparkling filter! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.